Wrap Teflon tape counterclockwise as you face the pipe end, so the threads pull the tape tighter when you screw fittings together. Teflon tape, also called thread seal tape, must be applied with consistent tension and overlap to form a reliable seal on tapered pipe threads. Hold the pipe in your non-dominant hand and orient the end so the threads spiral away from you in a clockwise direction. Then wrap the tape in the opposite direction around the pipe so the tape follows the thread helix when the fitting is turned. Start 1 to 2 thread pitches back from the pipe end to avoid loose tape entering the system, and lay the tape flat while rotating the pipe with your other hand to maintain even tension. Overlap each pass by about 1/2 of the tape width and aim for 2 to 3 full wraps on standard pipes. More wraps add bulk and can prevent the fitting from seating. Tear the tape cleanly and press the loose edge into the threads with your thumb to lock it in place before threading the fitting by hand for the first few turns. For dissimilar materials or parallel threads, use the appropriate sealant type and do not rely on tape alone. When in doubt, consult manufacturer guidance for pressures and temperatures. Common mistakes include wrapping the tape in the wrong direction, which causes it to unravel while threading, using too many wraps, which prevents proper thread engagement, and starting the tape at the pipe face, which can leave loose ends inside the line. If the tape unravels, remove it and reapply counterclockwise as you face the pipe end, with steady tension so the tape tightens during assembly. If fittings will not seat because of excess tape bulk, remove excess layers until threads engage smoothly and test for leaks under low pressure before final use. If tape ends or fragments enter the system, stop assembly, clean the threads, and reapply starting slightly back from the pipe end to avoid contamination. We run bighomeprojects.com, and our site helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and contact opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common home project problems.